Okay, guys, let's look at question 3. Question 3 says, using the scale factor in the middle column, find the missing values. There's not really much to annotate with this question because it's very direct. But this question, it wants us to fill in this table in order to receive credit in order to get it right. Now, notice that there's 3 empty blanks, okay? So typically, some people may count it as 1 point. Some teachers may count it as 3 points, giving you the opportunity to make a mistake on a empty blank or an empty spot, okay? So let's focus on this. So the scale factor is in ratio format. So if you notice that 6 is right here, it's 1 to 6, okay? So this is 60. So if this is 60, what do you think the smaller object would be? How can we use this ratio to answer this question or to fill in this blank? So one way you could do this is you can look at it like this. If it's 1 to 6 and the larger object is 60, what would be the smaller one? What was 6 multiplied by to get to 60? If you guess 10, you are absolutely correct. And whatever you do to one side, you want to do to the other side. So for the first missing blank, the smaller object would be 10. Now let's look at the second missing blank, which is number 2. And let me draw a line, okay? So now it's saying that the scale factor is from 3 to 10. The smaller object is 120. But what's the larger object? So I want to do the same format. I want to do 3 to 10. 120 to question mark. So what times 3 will give you 120? So if you don't know how to multiply or think about this question, but think about this. What times 3 would give you 12? If you guess 4, you're correct. But add that extra 0 and it will be 40. So 3 times 40 would equal 120. And whatever you do to one side, you want to do to the other side. So 10 times 40 would be 400. So the missing number would be 400. Now keep in mind, you are always welcome to visit your manager session if you're still confused on ratios and scale factors. So I'm going to erase some of my annotations. If you guys still need this, rewind this video so you can reference back to it. But I want to make sure that I have neat and organized notes so you guys understand this. So now let's look at the last blank, choice 3. So the ratio is from 2 to 5. Then there is 95. The missing one is on the quantity X. So what I can do to figure out what times 5 will give me 95 is I can divide it. So I'm going to do some sidebar math. I'm going to divide. So this is 5, 45. And then 5 times 9 will give me 45. And it's 19. So what I want to do is I want to take this number because that number was the one that was multiplied. I want to multiply it to this side to find the missing number, which would give me 38. Okay?